Good value. Good location and worth the cost. You get what you pay for. We stayed for one night as we were doing a road trip up the coast. The location is great, but the facilities aren't anything to brag about, and there's nothing outstanding to the location. Experience comfort and convenience at Motel 6-Astoria. Welcome to Motel 6-Astoria, Oregon, where comfort and convenience meet affordability. Located in the charming city of Astoria, Oregon, this 2-star hotel offers a delightful stay for both leisure and business travelers. With its prime location and excellent amenities, Motel 6-Astoria, Oregon is the perfect choice for your next visit to the beautiful Pacific Northwest. Check-in at Motel 6-Astoria, Oregon begins at 3 p.m., allowing you to settle in and start enjoying your stay. The friendly and attentive staff will be ready to assist you with a seamless check-in process, ensuring that you feel welcomed and comfortable from the moment you arrive. If you need to check out, the hotel's checkout time is until 11 a.m., giving you ample time to pack up and prepare for your departure. At Motel 6-Astoria, Oregon, families are more than welcome. This hotel has a generous child policy, allowing children between the ages of 0 to 17 to stay free of charge. Whether you're traveling with little ones or teenagers, you can rest assured that your family will be well taken care of during your stay. Enjoy the convenience of spacious and comfortable rooms, where everyone can relax and unwind after a day of exploring the nearby attractions and landmarks. Unleash your inner athlete at Motel 6-Astoria, Oregon. Sports facilities nestled along the stunning coastline of Astoria, Oregon. Motel 6-Astoria, Oregon offers an array of sports facilities that are sure to excite any sports enthusiast. With its close proximity to the beach, guests can indulge in a variety of water sports activities, including surfing, paddle boarding, and kayaking. The hotel provides easy access to the beach, making it convenient for guests to dive into the refreshing ocean or simply soak up the sun on the sandy shores.